It feels amazing, actually.
Magnificent.
It's amazing. When I went back and you tell somebody about it also, it feels like, wow, you really have a statue up?
I think it's lovely that both of us have it because we've had such a long, if I may say, lineage of cinema behind us, 35 years of having worked together.
35 years?
Yeah, I guess Didi just 30, so, and before that 2 years, the Bazigar and all, so we've known each other now since childhood, I guess. So it's like having life-size dolls, and also I think very befitting because UK to start off with is, I think, an extremely responsible place for Indian cinema to be globally recognized. Whatever the reasons, cultural and the diaspora and just the fact we had access.
And especially when stories were told. I mean, a lot of films had, even if, I don't know whether they were shot here or not, but they were definitely, London se aa rahe hain, London ja rahe hain, all that kind of stuff.
Do you think the statue looks like you?
I haven't seen it, actually, it was raining.
We haven't seen it in detail.
I want to go and see it at night quietly.
But I think honestly, it's such an iconic poster that anybody who sees it instantly recognizes it.
I think I'm looking very handsome.
No?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. You're also looking very pretty.
Thanks.
But,
Thanks.
I think, it's a good
It's like a
start.
second thought, but thanks.
I was always wanting to do an action film, but then Kajol was in my life, and you can't do action films if Kajol is acting opposite you. So I did all the romantic films.
You did a lot of other films besides me, right?
Yeah, but the ones we are known for are the ones we've done together. We can't deny that. So I just did a few action films because I always felt I could. I think a little late in the day. I don't know James Bond, but Sean Connery for sure, yeah. I'd like to age like him and, be able to do action and stuff.
DDLJ was such a massive hit, but in recent years, some Bollywood films have struggled at the box office.
I think it has to do with the fact that, we have OTT as well, and people suddenly have a choice of whether they want to go to the theatres or not.
Any advent of a new platform for any kind of social, community or entertainment outlet, I think there is always a lull in the theatre part of it or the classically old format part of it.
Yeah.
So I think there will be a lull for a part of it, but I think community viewing as such, apart from the one in the family, which is what OTT and television does, will always exist. I think we like to see things, enjoy things.
Things together.
Like live
and
sports.
there is a magic and there's a drama about being in a dark theatre and watching it.
Like how sports arenas are not empty because it's live on TV.
And as the king of romance, what tips do you have for a long and happy marriage?
Depends what
But
your husband's like.
that he in all his films, he's done films about before marriage.
After marriage, you're on your own. I'm really sorry, I have not taken...
There's no advice that anybody can give you.
and अभी मैंने तुम्हारी post marriage life का ठेका नहीं लिया. Till then, I think I got it right. You must have romance, you must have sung songs,
You must have watched it in Maratha Mandir.